In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate business in Square step by step. If you're wrapping up operations or simply need to turn off a business in your Square account, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can complete the process with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to squareup.com, then sign in to your Square dashboard. If you manage multiple businesses or locations, double check that you're viewing the correct one before you proceed. Accuracy here will save you time later. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand side navigation panel. If your menu is collapsed, expand it so you can see all options. Click Settings to open your account's main configuration area. Inside Settings, select Account and Settings. This is the hub for your core account information and business details. From here, choose My Business. You'll find your business identity and related controls in this section. Within My Business, open the About page. This page summarizes key information about your business profile. On the right side, you'll see an option labeled Deactivate Your Business. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down a little and it should appear. Click Deactivate Your Business to continue. Square will then prompt you to select a reason for deactivation. Pick the reason that best fits your situation. This choice is required to move forward, and the Continue button may remain inactive until you make a selection. Your choice here won't block you from deactivating. It just helps Square keep accurate account records. After selecting a reason, click Continue. You may see a short summary of what deactivation means for this business, including which features and access will be turned off. Take a moment to read this so you're clear on the impact. To finalize, Square will ask you to verify ownership. Enter your account password when prompted. This is the same password you used to sign in. If your account has additional verification enabled, just follow the on-screen prompts. Once your password is accepted, click Confirm. Square will process the request and complete the deactivation. You should see a confirmation message when it's done. A few quick notes to keep in mind. Only users with the right permissions can deactivate a business. So if you don't see the option, you may need an owner or administrator to help. After deactivation, the business will no longer be active for processing or linked services under that profile, and it may no longer appear in your dashboard view. And that's the full process. Dashboard, Settings, Account and Settings, My Business About, then deactivate your business. Simple, clear, and complete.